Earth is not stable. It only looks that way because we're alive. Right now. If one invisible system fails, civilization collapses long before the planet does. We build cities, plan centuries ahead, and talk about space as an escape. But almost everything that keeps Earth livable depends on forces we barely understand and absolutely cannot control. And the most dangerous part? Some of those systems are already changing. From space, Earth looks calm, balanced, self-regulating. That image created one of humanity's strongest assumptions, that Earth is naturally stable, resilient, and self-correcting. It isn't. Earth is a temporary alignment of conditions: gravity, atmosphere, magnetic shielding, orbital timing, chemistry. Nothing about that alignment is guaranteed. It works now. That's all. One of the most important systems keeping Earth alive is completely invisible: the magnetic field. It deflects solar radiation, charged particles, high-energy cosmic rays. Without it, we would slowly lose atmosphere, the same fate that turned Mars into a dead world. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Earth's magnetic field is not fixed. It weakens, shifts, and reorganizes over time. Measurements show it has been weakening for more than a century, not dramatically, but measurably. A weaker magnetic field doesn't cause instant catastrophe. That's why it's dangerous. Instead, it produces slow, compounding effects: increased radiation at high altitudes, greater satellite failure rates, disrupted navigation and timing systems, and atmospheric erosion at the edges. Life evolved under a strong magnetic shield. Change the shield, and you change the rules. Earth wouldn't become uninhabitable overnight. It would become less forgiving every decade. The magnetic field is generated deep below us, Earth's liquid outer core, a churning ocean of molten iron and nickel, creates a geodynamo. That motion depends on heat flow, core composition, long-term cooling. If convection patterns shift, the magnetic field follows. And this has happened before. Earth's magnetic poles have flipped hundreds of times. During those periods, the field weakens dramatically. Life survived. Civilization has never experienced one. This distinction matters. Life can survive extremes: radiation, heat, cold, geological chaos. Civilization cannot. Modern society depends on satellites, power grids, GPS timing, and global communication. All of these are fragile under radiation stress. A weakened magnetic field wouldn't kill Earth. It would destabilize everything built on top of it. If this kind of honest, planetary science is what you're here for, subscribe to the channel. No hype, no comfort lies, just how the universe actually works. Earth doesn't exist in isolation. It lives under a star. The sun produces solar flares, coronal mass ejections, radiation storms. Most of the time, Earth's magnetic field protects us. History shows what happens when it doesn't. The Carrington event of 1859 burned telegraph systems across the planet. That was with 19th century technology. A similar event today could disable power grids, satellites, and communication systems for months or longer. Earth's climate feels predictable because we live inside a rare, stable phase. But Earth's history includes global ice ages, extreme greenhouse periods, rapid temperature shifts. Some of these changes happen quickly. Climate is regulated by feedback loops: ice reflectivity, ocean circulation, carbon exchange. Disrupt enough of those loops, and the system finds a new equilibrium, not necessarily one that supports civilization. There's a comforting belief that technology will adapt faster than Earth can change. History disagrees. Technology requires predictable environments, stable resources, long planning horizons. Planetary systems don't care about planning. You cannot engineer a replacement magnetic field, a controlled molten core, a tame sun. Technology works inside planetary limits. It cannot redefine them. This is where the illusion becomes dangerous. We talk about Mars, the Moon, orbital habitats, as if Earth is optional. It isn't. Every other environment we know has weaker gravity, higher radiation, no biosphere, and no long-term stability. Earth is not one option among many. It is the exception. The greatest risk isn't extinction. It's gradual destabilization. A world that still exists but works slightly worse every decade. More infrastructure failures, higher maintenance costs, shorter planning horizons, rising systemic stress. Civilizations don't collapse suddenly. They erode. If Earth is fragile, then preservation matters more than expansion. It means planetary protection is strategic, not sentimental. Long-term stability matters more than short-term growth. And understanding Earth's systems matters as much as exploring space. Space exploration isn't an escape. It's a reminder of how rare Earth really is. If this video changed how stable you think Earth really is, share it with someone who believes our planet will always take care of us. And stay with the channel, because humanity's future depends less on where we go next and more on how well we understand where we already are. Earth doesn't promise permanence. It offers opportunity under very specific conditions. Those conditions are not guaranteed. Understanding that may be the most important realization humanity ever makes.